Chinese scallion cakes. A side dish from China. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Sift flour into a large bowl. Pour in the boiling water gradually and mix with a fork. Rub together with fingers while the flour is still warm. Add the cold water. Step 2. Knead to form a firm, but not hard dough. Cover and let stand for 10 minutes. Step 3. Oil a flat surface and a rolling pin with 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Place dough on oiled surface. Knead a few times and divide into 6 pieces. Step 4. Roll out 1 piece into a 6 to 7 inch circle with the edges slightly thinner than the middle. Sprinkle all over with a good 1/4 teaspoon of salt and press in with your fingers. Generously spread all over
Step
with a
5.
half an ounce of margarine.
With both hands,
stopping just
pick
short
up
of
the sides
edges
nearest you and roll
Spread
the cake
with
up
about
away
5
from you like a jello
tablespoons
roll,
of chopped
taking
scallions.
care
not to let the scallions fall out. The dough should now be in a cylindrical shape. Step 6. Pinch the ends closed and roll towards each other until the dough is ball-shaped. Gently roll the ball out until it backslashes about 6 inches across. Don't worry if the surface of the cake bursts while you backslash
Step
your
7.
rolling. Heat a
Repeat
heavy,
for each
flat
piece of
frying
dough.
pan until hot. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Fry the cakes over low heat, covered, for 4 or 5 minutes or until spotted brown. Turn over and fry the other
CountryReports,
side
culture,
likewise.
countries,
Remove
travel.
and drain on a paper towel.